back. I know it's been a little while since I've put out a video, but most of the layout is getting complete. I'm not sure if you can ever get completely done, but looking for something new, those type of things I want to put out. This video, I want to talk a little bit about a product, Track Magic, something I picked up. I think there's a couple videos out on it. Maybe what I've found so far in the short time that I've used it. And the other one is, some of you know the town that I live in, LaGrange. The CSX line goes right down Main Street of town. It's only, it's about 3 to 4 city blocks long. Well, this past week they've actually come in and torn that up, and I'll show you some photos that I took of them doing that, replacing the track, and we'll go over that. So let me show you a little bit about Track Magic and what I found. Here's the box you receive. Runs about $14–15. My local hobby shop, and this is a track cleaning product. I have previously just used alcohol to clean the track first, and then I came back with a real thin film of I've used WD-40, and it runs well. I only have to clean my track about twice a year, and I seldom have problems. Every once in a while I have to get the bright boy out and go over a few spots. But let me show you what's you get an applicator, little eyedropper, forget what the technical name for that is. You get a small cup, the product itself, and this product is, and as soon as I find it I'll let you know how many, 50 milliliters of cleaning fluid, and you get along with it a micro brush. So they do warn you that this does have fumes, and I do believe it is flammable on there, so watch what you're doing. Using it, I put a little bit in the cup here so I don't contaminate. I use the eyedropper. They have you kind of dipping it in, and you can clean your track. I've made myself a little tool up here, and I've got some cleaning cloths here, and what I enjoy doing is I will fold that over, and I'll put it over, and I like to dampen this and go around my track. So let me show you on the track what I found, and we'll continue on. What I used for my test area is this double line right down through here. I use both of those pretty much equally when I'm running trains. So the applicator they give you, let's say dampen it, and you can go down through there and you can clean that track off, and you can go ahead and wash that out once it gets dirty and go from there. Say the method I like to use is my little stick here, dampen that, put a few drops on it, and go down through there. Okay, once the one thing that they do mention with this product is that once you clean the track, it actually leaves a slight residue on there that will protect the track and also improves better conductivity. So let me show you the pads after I got ran the cleaning cloth down across those. One of the things I found very handy was a little micro brush they give you to dip it in their solvent and actually get in the section in here, and you can clean that off. And I have found that that has improved keeping this section of the track energized in here. Okay, here's the two cloths that I used. This one I did with just alcohol. and went down and cleaned the track. And this one over here is with Track Magic. Now it could be, this one may have just been a little bit dirtier. Both of them look like it cleaned very well. Once again, the Track Magic was supposed to leave a slight residue on there for better conductivity. Okay, well that's the product on Track Magic. I've had it on now for a couple weeks, and I'll keep you posted in further videos down how things go with that. Remember also to use those on your locomotive wheels. Works real well for cleaning those up and keeping good conductivity. So let me show you a little bit about the town of LaGrange and the removal of the old track and installation of the new. Here they're removed the old ties out of this section. That's actually dug down about 24 inches, about 2 feet down there. They're removing the road bed. Moved up the road a little ways, and the track is still there. They're removing this with the backhoes. You can see the new ties and rails over on the far side of the road. And looking down the other direction, they still have to remove this whole area. But this is like day number 2, and I was quite surprised that by day 3 they already had gravel back in on the very first area, the ties in place. And I happened to look at it. It looked kind of low to me. I was talking to one of the engineers there, and he says that this is the machine that actually picks it up, puts it in position, and compacts it, and then they'll come back in with more gravel to fill in. So you can see the fella sitting down. Like I say, it's about 2 feet there, but a little the road bed in the center is up I'd say about 6 inches from the top. That machine's lifting it. Next day, here it is. They put the first layer of blacktop back in. They already got the whole thing compacted and first layer of blacktop. And this last shot here is of everything completed. This was like day number 6. Everything back to normal. Road is paved. Okay, well that's going to bring this video to a close, but I thank you very much for watching. Hopefully I've given you a few tips. And once again, have a great day. Hope to see you soon.